Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all the basketball enthusiasts all across the Bicol region. Again, nagbabalik po kami para sa ating final game this Sunday afternoon. It's between the CSPC Blue Stallion and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Makakasama niyo po ako together with Jasper Abante, my co-commentator. And on the court side, we have Via and Hana na makakasama natin sa pagtalakay ng mga informations sa huddle ng every teams. Ayan, nagsisimula na nga ang first quarter, 8 minutes and 43 seconds remaining, and deadlock at 2 points para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, I think ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Via to give us information about the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, Via, ano update dyan?
The Mariners Blue Dolphins are gliding into the game smooth and efficient in every move. This is Veronica Nakar, your courtside reporter from the bench of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and we are live via One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are here at the Ateneo Gymnasium still for another epic clash between the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the CSPC Blue Stallions. The Mariners are hoping for their first win in the second round of the elimination round. With both teams fighting for the position for their standings, every play will count. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, on that update from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. At ayan, Rick, kung naaalala natin, yung standing nitong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins, they had 1 win and 3 losses dun sa nagdaan na first round ng ating Bucal Season 6. And kabaliktaran naman nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions ay may 3 wins and 1 loss standing. And yung kaisa-isang talo nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions ay walang iba kundi ang tapatan nila kontra sa USA Falcons with 101-90. And speaking of the Blue Stallions, let's hear an update from the side of the Stallions. We have Hana, our courtside reporter. Hana, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. And we are now on our last and final game ngayong gabi, at ito ang tapatan ng CSPC Blue Stallions versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Matatandaan na before the first round ended, the CSPC Blue Stallions bagged their 3rd victory, leading them into the 3rd spot sa ating standing last round. And it is also against the Dolphins. And ayon sa Stallions, for this round 2 ay mas mag-focus sila on how to break their opponent's defense at mas palalakasin ang kanilang offensive defense. Kaya naman, they are eager to be consistent and focus sa hardcourt throughout the game upang manalo sa gabing ito. Dito lamang yan sa One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Hannah Morel, reporting from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Hana, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan na, abangan natin kung paano magiging consistent itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions, lalo na at pinagpukusan daw nila yung depensa ng kanilang kalaban, which is the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Dahil for sure, Rick, ay napag-aralan na nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung mga lapses nila last time dun sa ating nagdaan na first round, dahil nakatapat rin nila itong ating itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Kaya abangan natin ngayong gabi kung ano yung ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito sa atin. And as we can see, 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Deadlock by 5 points. Ganyan kahigpit, Rick, yung laban natin ngayong hapon.
Ayan, nasa second round na nga tayo ng elimination round. And let's see dito sa mga teams na ito kung mag-i-improve ba sila or tatapatin nila yung performance nila during the first round of elimination, or patuloy pa rin ditong mag-a-adjust ang iba't ibang players para magkaroon ng magandang standing dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. So I'm very excited sa mga performances na ibibigay ng mga players na to from different school. Ayan, back to the ball game. Ball possession ng Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, Blue Dolphins, jersey number 18, no good on that attempt. 1 point lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 23. Labalan. Now, jersey number 21 of the Blue Dolphins. That's good for the Blue Dolphins, courtesy of Bacolod on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 1 point lead of the Blue Dolphins here. Dikit na laban. Now Labalan on the outside. On that corner shot, 3 points. No good on that attempt by jersey number 8, Ateneo.
And basket count, sama ng foul on that last sequence para dito sa Blue Stallion.
3 points play opportunity of Veletario on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Here's number 14, no good on that free throw opportunity. Now, chance for the Blue Dolphins here to score. 1 point lead ang hawak ng kanilang opponent. Merenciano looking for his teammate, and seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins.
Now, no good on that attempt. Defensive rebound here. And a holding foul has been called to jersey number 18. Panis of the Blue Dolphins. Substitutions. Jersey number 13, Cornelio checked in for the Blue Stallions. Now, what a pass! 2 points ang idadagdag ni Merenciano on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, a steal here and out of bounds as the Mariners Blue Dolphins will take the ball possession. Labanan pala to, Rick, ng Blue.
Yes.
We have the Blue Stallions and the Blue Dolphins.
So let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng another win para dito sa araw na to. Now, Mariners Blue Dolphins
In and out ball.
Now,
On the corner, no good on that 3, and a defensive rebound here by jersey number 11, Portillo. Now to jersey number 13, Cornelio. Nohara, jersey number 15. Now, Niangar, and ball possession of the Blue Dolphins here. Merenciano on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, mid-range jumper, and that's good for the Blue Dolphins. Dagdagan natin yung 2 puntos courtesy of jersey number 18, Panes. Ayan, at back-to-back points ang ginagawa dito ni Panes on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Another chance for the Blue Dolphins. Merenciano with that action. 2 points, sabayan pa natin ng foul. 3 points play opportunity. Tingnan natin, Rick, dito sa ating replay.
Blue Dolphins.
We have that pass
Another
from Panes.
chance for the Blue
No
Dolphins.
hesitation. Napakagandang iwas
With
doon
that
sa block.
action.
so very early game para dito. Very good early game para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Talagang sinisigurado nila na magiging maganda ang pasok ng second round on the side of their team. 13-8 on our scoreboard. And no good on that free throw opportunity on the side of this Blue Dolphins. Chance for the Blue Stallion here to score. "12 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Stallion. Jersey number 24 fires for that 3. And pasok yon.
That first 3 is brought to us by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, courtesy of Nohara on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now another chance for the Stallions. Nagmamadali, jersey number 13 with that layup Cornelio. Back-to-back points, and we are now deadlocked on 13 points. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Now, no hesitation but no good on that attempt. May bawi dito on the outside. No good. Another chance for the Blue Dolphins here. Outside shot again, and that's good this time. 3 points, courtesy of jersey number 22, Kabahar of the Blue Dolphins.
No Blue Stallion on the offense. Fires for that three, no good. Rebound on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Another chance here para dagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. Pero no good. Blue Stallion. Jersey number 15 natatawid ang bola. Heavily guarded here. At medyo nahihirapan dito. Gumalaw ang CSPC Blue Stallion because of the great defense showing on the side of this Blue Dolphins.
Ay nang at natawagan dito ng foul si Portasio on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Bacolod rather of the Blue Dolphins. Now a steal here by the Blue Dolphins. A chance for them to raise their lead here. Kontra dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions now. Jersey number in and out ball, pero pasok ang bola by Malaluan of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 13. Cornelio with that three. No good on that attempt. Another chance for the Blue Stallions. And that's good this time by jersey number 15, Nohara of the Blue Stallions.
3-point lead ang hawak ng Blue Dolphins on the offense right now. And again, another 2 points was added on their side. Last 47 seconds para sa ating first quarter. And basket count para dito sa Blue Stallion.
Let's see dito sa ating replay. Ateneo puts up that 2 pero nasabayan siya doon ni jersey number 22, that is Kabahar on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Kaya naman 3 points play opportunity for the Blue Stallions here. Ateneo. Yung sumabay pala sa kanya, Rick, ay sinaag. And that's good for that 3 points play opportunity.
Now ball possession ng Blue Dolphins. 38 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Heavily guarded here. And a great steal coming from Nohara.
Pero natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 11 of the Blue Dolphins. We have Chavez. Ayan. Well, kailangan nating abangan on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions itong si Felix Andrew Diang. Napaka matunog na pangalan on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions doon sa mga nagdaan na games nila. We also have Belgica and Ateneo. Ayan, yung mga key players ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Abangan natin sila dito sa ating laban. And for sure, hindi pa masyadong mainit yung laban ngayon ng dalawang teams since it's the first quarter. Pero low scoring tayo ngayon, Rick. Deadlock by 20 points.
Very close first quarter para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Blue Stallions.
Pass for the 3, Cornelio. In and out ball. No good on that attempt. Ayan at natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 8 Ateneo of the Blue Stallions. 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Now on the outside, that's good. 3 points for the Blue Dolphins. At doon na nga Rick nagtatapos after that 3 points by Corporal on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Grabe. 23-20. 3 points lead of the Blue Dolphins. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kayo for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our second quarter. Again, matchup between the Blue Stallion and Blue Dolphins. Abante nga ng 3 ang ating Blue Dolphins. Courtesy of that 3 points on the latter part of our first quarter. Now, ball possession ng Mariners. Tatawid ang bola. Heavily guarded here by the Blue Dolphins, and successful steal on the side of the Blue Stallion. Back-to-back steal. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta or magkakaroon ng point conversion.
As we can see, the Stallions checked in. Pinasok na nila dito si Felix Andrew Diang, the back-to-back best player for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, abangan natin yung mga pasabog na plays na ipapakita sa atin itong si Felix Andrew Diang. Maganda yung chemistry nila nito ni Nianggar. Same silang pasok dito sa ating second quarter. Now, no hesitation shot by jersey number 11, Portillo, with that.
Sa ating second quarter. Now,
no hesitation shot by jersey number 11, Portillo. The Mariners Blue Dolphins, kaya naman 3 points play opportunity dito for Portillo of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman i-shoutout muna natin itong mga nakatutok sa ating live coverage via Bucal Facebook page. We have FiberX Relion, Casey Anchoquia, isa sa ating mga courtside reporter, Kian Baluyot, and Angel Ann. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok. We also have Richard Abante. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
8 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. And to hear an update on the side of the Blue Stallion, let's call our courtside reporter, Hannah. Hi, Hannah. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. And on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions, on the first quarter, the CSPC is still finding their momentum, giving them a little bit of a hard time taking the lead. But for this quarter, coach reminded his players to commit less turnovers and be patient sa hard court. Yan muna ang update para sa side ng Blue Stallions. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Hannah, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And yun nga, Rick, very crucial itong errors, yung turnovers na ginagawa nitong CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero agad naman nilang nababawi yung kalamangan na nagagawa nitong ating Blue Dolphins. And ayun na nga ang sabi ng kanilang coaches ay to keep patient dito sa ating laro dahil hindi naman nila kailangan madiliin ang lahat ng bagay. Alright, so kailangan patient pa rin ang ating Blue Stallions para makuha ang kanilang ika-4 na panalo and their first win this second round of Bucal Season 6. Alright, so to hear things over, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Via on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ayan na. Via, take it away.
Second quarter action is underway and has been a slow start. However, the Dolphins wasted no time and started shooting more baskets. According to the huddle earlier, coach said to focus more on controlling the tempo of the game if they want to win this match. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, on that update on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Yan, at abangan natin yung mga plays na ibibigay sa atin itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins since ayun na nga, hinahanap pa nila yung ikalawang panalo nila this season. So titingnan natin yan kung makukuha nila yan kontra dito sa ating Cspc Blue Stallions. Hindi rin basta-basta itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins dahil yung mga nakaraan na games nila ay talagang close fight lahat ng laban nila. And let's see. Since Felix Andrew Diang is in for the Stallions, all that corner shot no good.
Blue Dolphins ball possession. The ball will go on the side of Blue Stallion. Great defense para dito sa Blue Stallion, forcing the other side na magkaroon ng turnover. Now jersey number 7 looking for his teammate. And tries for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Blue Stallion, but losing that ball. So chance for the Blue Dolphins here para dagdagan ng kanilang kalamangan, pero talagang napakaganda ng depensa on the side of Blue Stallion. Another steal.
No good on that attempt by Felix Andrew Diang. Now another chance for the Blue Stallions, jersey number 14. No good, and the fourth chance, pero this time may whistle na. Ayan, at natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 0 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, that is Tondo. Ayan, at penalty situation na tayo dito on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And so far, the Cspc Blue Stallions is maintaining a clean game. Kung nakikita natin na Rick, wala pa silang nako-commit na foul dito sa ating second quarter. And the second attempt of jersey number 19, John Laiko Niangar, and an out ball. No good on that attempt.
Chance for the Blue Dolphins here to add their score. 6 minutes and 56 seconds remaining for our second quarter. And a foul was called on jersey number 19 on the side of the Blue Stallion.
Niangar. Ayan, shout out natin dito si Marlin Sicundo, Alwin Viduya, Avi Nicole, and Kian Baluyot. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Kasi for sure, Rick, nakatutok din yung mga supporters nitong ating Cspc Blue Stallions all the way from the 5th District of Camarines Sur, Nabwa. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Now Blue Stallion on the offense. Looking for his teammate.
Felix Andrew Diang on the corner. Jersey number 13, Cornelio. Pero medyo napalakas dun yung pasa ni Felix, ni Andrew. A chance for the Blue Dolphins here to raise their lead kontra dito sa ating Cspc Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 30, Malaluan. Isa rin sa mga key players ng Blue Dolphins. A steal here by Diang on the side of the Blue Stallions. Now let's see. Jersey number 14 on the corner again. Tries for the 3. And that's good this time. Courtesy of jersey number 14, Velitario. Napakagandang 3 points hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Ayan. No good on that attempt by Merenciano.
CSPC Blue Stallion Cornelio fires for that 3, no good. Now Blue Dolphins on the offense, 1-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang koponan.
Merenciano on the 3 points and clean basket for Merenciano. 3 points of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Hatid naman sa atin yan ng Naga College Foundation. Maraming salamat po. Grabe, sagutan ng 3 points itong ginagawa nitong dalawang koponan dito sa ating hardcourt ngayong gabi. Malaluan. No, good on that 3 points attempt. A second chance here for the Blue Stallions. Naag. And a steal here by Nianggar. Now Diang. To Nianggar. Napakagandang pasa. A good timing for the Blue Stallions. Dagdagan pa natin yan, Rick, ng 2 points. Ayan, at 2 puntos na lamang po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Merenciano tries for that long 3, no good.
Sayang yun, libreng-libre sana dun si Merenciano, pero no good on that 3 points attempt. A turnover here on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang to inbound. Now Ateneo is in for the Blue Stallions. Maganda rin yung chemistry ginagawa nito ni Ateneo and also Diang on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now Cornelio on the corner tries for the 3. No good on that attempt and out of bounds. As the Mpcf Blue Dolphins will take the ball possession.
Three minutes and 47 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Another 3 points para dito kay Merenciano.
Back-to-back 3 points by Merenciano on the side of the Blue Dolphins. And another chance here for the Blue Dolphins. And out of bounds as the CSPC Blue Stallions will take the ball possession after that slip by Bacolod. Ayan. A chance here for the Blue Stallions. Para naman maidikit yung kanilang puntos dito sa puntos ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now, napakagandang aksyon by jersey number 14, Belitario. Grabe. Inikot niya pa yung bola bago ipasok. Now, out of bounds pero same ball possession for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Kaya naman napatawag dito ng timeout itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. So let's see, Rick, kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 5 seconds ng ating first half. Kaya naman ngayon pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and of course, 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga yung Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. We also have the Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
Now back to the ball game. Whistle coming from our referee. And foul was called on jersey number 4. So free throw shots will be given on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Good on that first attempt, 4-point lead on the side of their team. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining for ours first half. Agawan ng bola, and the ball will go on the side of the Blue Stallion. Deang to inbound. Passing the ball to Cornelio. And now itatawid ng bola on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Wasted opportunity on the side of their team. Libreng-libre. Pero hindi makakakuha ng puntos. Now, the Blue Dolphins will try to get a point.
Merenciano shooting foul by jersey number 26 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. That is Kulibar on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws si Merenciano on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay August Nayumi Portugal. Happy viewing po. We also have Felipe Abante and Calix 90 Abante. Happy viewing po. No good on that second attempt by Merenciano. And out of bounds again. Out of bounds again by Ateneo. Kung nakikita natin dito, Padua pass the ball to Ateneo bago ito nakalabas. Kaya ball possession ngayon ng ating MPCF Blue Dolphins on the outside. Malaluan. And a steal here by Diang to Cornelio. Now on the corner again. No good on that sweet spot by the Blue Stallions. Kung napapansin natin, sweet spot nitong Blue Stallions yung ating corner. Lagi nagpapakawala ng 3 points attempt, mid-range jumper, and that's good by jersey number 13, Razon of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Padua to Ateneo, pushes to the inside and out of bounds. Pero same ball possession for the CSPC Blue Stallions.
1 minute and 50 seconds remaining for our first half and 16 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Stallion, and libreng-libre on that layup. Si Deang, jersey number 7, 32-36 on our scoreboard. 4-point lead ang hawak ng Blue Dolphins. Now, it's their time to add their score here. The ball will remain on their side. And a substitution on the side of Blue Stallion to clear things up at para magkaroon ng magandang chemistry inside the hard court. Great steal coming from the Blue Stallion.
Now, Diang on the Stallions. No good on that 3 points attempt, pero may bawi doon. Si jersey number 22 maglapid on the side of the Blue Stallions. Ayan at onti-onti nang naididikit ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung kalamangan nitong ating Blue Dolphins. Now another chance for the Stallions here. Ateneo, sinabayan pa yan ni Merenciano. 2 points and a bonus shot. Kaya naman 3 points play opportunity ang mangyayari dito on the side of the Blue Stallions, courtesy of Ateneo. Grabe. Hindi siya nagpapigil doon on that layup kahit na nakabantay doon si Merenciano. Nagsabayan pa nga sila. Kaya 3 points play opportunity dito kay Ateneo. A whistle here. Ayun at natawagan naman dito ng foul si jersey number 8 Ateneo on the side of the CSPC Blue Dolphins. 56 seconds remaining po dito sa ating first half. 1 point lead po of the CSPC Blue Stallions, and a change of favor na tayo dito sa last minute. Pero agad namang may sagot dyan. Grabe. Nakasagot agad itong ating Blue Dolphins, courtesy of jersey number 21. Let's see here dito sa ating replay.
Sa last
Ayun,
minute,
at
pero
lumipad pa siya
agad
doon,
namang
Rick.
may sagot dyan.
Grabe, napakagandang sagot. 3 points play opportunity din for the Blue Dolphins and no good on that opportunity.
Now Blue Stallion ball possession. Kailangan nilang makapuntos at this moment. Fires for that 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa din para dito sa Blue Stallion. And the ball will go on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Maraming nasasayang ditong opportunity on the side of the Blue Stallion. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang Blue Stallion. Blue Dolphins rather, 25 seconds remaining for our first half. Ayan, mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga viewers. Shoutout kay Maue Balane, kay Dylan Valenciano at kay Isabella. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Ayun, at yung mga nakatutok din dito sa ating live coverage, we have Marlon Segundo, Kian Baluyot, August Nayumi Portugal, and Avi Nicole. Ayan, full support on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Isang puntos na kalamangan ng ating NPCF Blue Dolphins. Very close fight.
Now chance for the Blue Dolphins here para dagdagan ng kalamangang hawak nila dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. Heavily guarded here and nice steal on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Back-to-back steal for both teams. 5 seconds remaining. No good on that. And that's the end of our first half, 38-37. A very close fight between these two teams. Magbabalik po kami for our second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second half. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Huerta dito sa ating second half with 1-point lead of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. So let's see kung kaninong momentum ang magtutuloy-tuloy dito sa ating second half. No good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 13 of the Blue Dolphins. Now let's see. Jersey number 19 ni Yangar. Layup, 2 points for the Cspc Blue Stallions.
Now, ball possession on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 1-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Blue Stallion at ma-erase nga yan ng Blue Dolphins with that 2 points para dito sa kanilang kupunan. 40-39 on our scoreboard and out of bounds ball. So the ball will go on the side of this Cspc Blue Stallion, and I think ready na dito ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's go, Via. Anong update dyan?
We're halfway through the game and both teams are still in it to win it. With the Dolphins holding the lead, the Stallions are also relentless, trying to catch up with the game. It has been a back and forth affair with jersey number 22 Kabahar leading the game with 11 points, still keeping the team group. The Dolphins need to maintain the momentum in order to seal this win. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, on that update from the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Kaya naman abangan natin kung paano ipapagpatuloy nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins yung kanilang momentum dahil very close itong ating laban dito sa ating second half. Ayan, at isang puntos lamang ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng MPCF Blue Dolphins. Agad na nakakasagot itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero ngayon, 3 puntos na ang kalamangan ng ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. And on the other hand, we have the CSPC Blue Dolphins. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter na si Hana. Hi Hana, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. And we are now on our second half. And the CSPC Blue Stallions are really trying their best to keep the score close in order for them to take the lead. And the CSPC Blue Stallions will try the pick and roll shot and commit less turnovers and give pressure sa hard court. And the players and the coach reminded his players to control their shots at be patient and calm sa loob ng hard court. And ani coach ay make sure to make the most out of it. Kaya naman, ano pa kaya ang game-changing adjustments ang kanilang gagawin in order for them to take the lead? Yan ang aabangan natin, kaya tumutok lamang dito sa ating live stream. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Hana, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at kung nakikita natin dito, tuloy-tuloy na nga yung momentum na ginagawa nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. 6 points lead na ang hawak ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins. Ayan, long 3 by Merenciano. No good on that attempt. Let's see kung anong gagawing bawi nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Felix Andrew Diang, sayang yung opportunity niya. Pero may bawi doon. Si jersey number 20 of the Blue Stallions, Adan. Ayan. At naibaba na nila ulit sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins.
Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense. 5 seconds to shoot. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Turnover para dito sa Blue Dolphins. So, chance for the Blue Stallion here para makahabol sa lamang dito ng kanilang opponent. Now, Deang, wrong pass para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. And now, let's see kung makakakuha ng 3 points. Wala din on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Blue Stallion forcing that one in. Agawan nga ng bola dito. Jersey number 14 will try for that 3 points. No good.
Now let's see. No good on that attempt by jersey number 21. Pero may bawi siya doon. And the same ball possession for the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Ayan, at back-to-back chances by jersey number 21, Bacolod. Pero no good on that attempt. Kaya naman napatawag agad dito ng timeout ang ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. Titingnan natin kung paano nila itutuloy yung kanilang nasimula na momentum dito sa ating second half. Grabe, nagtuloy-tuloy na nga yung kanilang momentum dito sa second half. 4 na puntos na po yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Dahil kanina rin kung napapansin natin, no, pa isa-isa lang yung kalamangan nitong dalawang teams na ito. Nagsasagutan sila ng puntos, pero ngayon 4 na puntos na ang kalamangan nitong ating Blue Dolphins. So let's see kung ano din yung gagawing bawi nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions on their side, on kung paano sila sasabay dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Pero ngayon, i-shoutout muna natin si Sofia Recto. Ayan, ang special shoutout na ito ay hatid sa atin ng BMEG, Alagang number 1.
Ayan, 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for our third quarter at abante pa rin dito ang Blue Dolphins. Hindi nila dito pinapahabol ang Blue Stallion. What would be the adjustment on the side of Blue Stallion if they want to chase and cut the lead na hawak ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins? Now, on the offense right now, pero great rebound para dito kay De Jong on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Looking for his teammate. Muntik pang maagawan dito. Now Blue Stallion, nahihirapan on their offense because of the defense as shown para dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins and point conversion on that last sequence. So everything goes well para dito sa kupunan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Janlaiko ni Yanggar with that 2 points layup. Grabe yun, ipinailalim pa ni Yanggar yung bola bago niya yun ini-layup. That's 2 points using his left hand. Now let's see. Now Merenciano, jersey number 22. To jersey number 13, Razon on the outside. And naubusan sila this time ng shot clock. A turnover on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And substitutions here. Panes checked in for the Blue Dolphins in change of Corporal, jersey number 4 of the Blue Dolphins. Now Diang nagdadala ng bola on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Now, a steal here by the Blue Dolphins. Malaluan puts up that 2 points. Kasabay niya doon si Ateneo. Ayan, at tuloy-tuloy nang lumolobo ang kalamangan dito. Another chance for the Blue Dolphins. And a wasted opportunity. Ayan, at na-block pala yung bola. Hindi naman siya wasted opportunity dahil the same ball possession pa rin on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Ayan, this is a good opportunity nga for the Blue Dolphins. Now on the corner, Merenciano. No good on that attempt. Pero may foul ditong itinawag kay jersey number 18. That is Panes on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now Blue Stallions. Janlaiko ni Yanggar. Now to Diang on that pass. Sayang yung chance. Binitin, kinapos yung shoot doon ni jersey number 14 on the side of the Blue Stallions. Now let's see. No good on that attempt. And out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Out of bounds by Janlaiko ni Yanggar. Ayan, at full support yung ating online viewers dito for the CSPC Blue Stallions. We have Austin Arcilia, Kian Baluyot, kanina pang nakatutok, Angel Ann, and Jels Glikes. Ayan, happy viewing po. Now, Linianggar, kinukulang talaga sila Rick doon sa kanilang shooting.
Yes.
No good this time.
That's why nahihirapan silang humabol little by little dito sa ating laro.
What a block by Felix Andrew Diang. Grabe. Hindi rin basta-basta itong depensang pinapakita sa atin nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero sayang yung kanilang opportunities dahil kinukulang lang talaga sa lakas yung kanilang shooting. Ayan. Bacolod to Merenciano. Fires for the 3 and the air ball here. Turnover on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 2 minutes and 46 seconds for the third quarter. What a pass! What a pass to jersey number 13, Cornelio, on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Courtesy of Felix Andrew Diang. Pinasiguro niya na yun, Rick.
Now Blue Dolphins on the offense. Tries for that
Malaluan.
3.
No good. Pero may bawi dun si Malaluan. 2 free throws pa nga for Malaluan on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Grabe. A chance for them to raise their lead kontra dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 4 na puntos na kalamangan for now. So let's see kung dadagdagan pa yan ni Malaluan sa kanyang free throw opportunity.
Another one for Malaluan. Basket for him. 52-47 on our scoreboard. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now Cornelio, itatawid ng bola on the side of the Stallions. Deang will fire for that one. No good. Great steal coming from the Blue Dolphins. What a great point conversion para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Coming from the Blue Dolphins. Maintaining their lead here sa ating third quarter. And another steal as we can see on that instant replay. And now, another point conversion para sa Blue Dolphins. Sunod-sunod na puntos ang nagagawa dito ng Blue Dolphins. Lumalaki na ang kalamangang hawak nila, the Blue Stallions. Kailangan gumising at mag-step up dito sa ating third quarter. But a foul was called on the player of the Blue Dolphins. So si SPC Blue Stallion magkakaroon ng 2 shots dito. They really need this one if they want to stay in the game para dito sa ating larong ito. Clean basket for jersey number 14. Let's take a look one more time for that free throw, and 2 shots was good para dito sa ating Mariners. CSPC Blue Stallion rather. Now, substitution on the side of this Blue Dolphins. Itatawid ang bola ni Malaluan, looking for his teammate. And now Merenciano taking his time here. 10 seconds to shoot for the Blue Dolphins. What a great move coming from Merenciano. Grabe ang tandem ni Merenciano and ni Malaluan for making a lot of point conversion on their side. So turnover para dito sa Blue Stallion. Crucial for them. Now, Bacolod passing the ball to Merenciano.
Now, 38 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. No good on that attempt by Merenciano. Libreng-libre, Felix Andrew Diang. 2 points for the CSPC Blue Stallions. A fast break opportunity. Napakagandang fast break hatid sa atin ni Felix Andrew Diang on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. At natawagan dito ng technical foul si jersey number 7 of the CSPC Blue Stallions for unsportsmanlike behavior. Ayan. Ayan, ulitin natin, tawagan dito ng technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior si Felix Andrew Diang.
.22 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Ball possession ng Blue Dolphins. Bacolod heavily guarded here. And 3 points para dito kay Coronel on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 61-51-10. Big points ang kailangang habulin dito, pero makakabawi ng 2 points on the side of this. Pero hindi makakaabot yung layup na yon para kay Merenciano. So that's the end of our third quarter. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating final quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the fourth and last quarter. Bakbakan ang CSPC Blue Stallions and the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Huerta dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. 61-55 ang ating score. 6 points lead of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins and a 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 14 dito sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth and last quarter. Again, jersey number 14 again. Another 3 points play opportunity after that offensive rebound by jersey number 12 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Grabe. Another play, another opportunity for jersey number 14. Let's see. Ayan, at this time, pasok na ang ikatlong puntos ni jersey number 14. Velitario now, ball possession and out of bounds. Ayan, at mapupunta ang bola on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Malaluan to inbound. Now, simple possession pa rin for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Ayan na, to be clear lang tayo, Rick, kanina natawagan ng technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior. Itong si Felix Andrew D ang on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions dahil taunting daw. Yung sabi ng ating official, yung sabi ng ating referee kanina. Ayan, para clear tayo dito sa ating ball game.
And now, Blue Stallion on the offense, jersey number 15. Passing the ball to jersey number 19. What a great steal coming from Merenciano. And point conversion para dito sa Blues Dolphins. 9 minutes and 6 seconds remaining for our final quarter.
The same ball possession for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Mahaba-haba pa itong ating fourth and last quarter. Titingnan natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng unang panalo and the second round eliminations. Now, Ateneo. No good on that attempt by Ateneo. Now, jersey number 1, libreng-libre. Grabe, 2 points. courtesy of jersey number 1 o Lion on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And out of bounds as the symbol possession for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Nianggar to inbound. Ayan, at humingi muna tayo ng update on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Hana. Hi Hana, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. And the CSPC is still points behind, but they are still working together para ma-execute nila ng tama ang kanilang strategies and try the 1-2 defense and play under pressure. And they are giving their 100% because they are fueled with passion and determination. At talagang para sa kanila, the game is not yet finally over. Yan muna ang update para sa side ng Blue Stallions. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Hana, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at abangan natin, Rick, kung paano i-execute nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung kanilang game plan. Ayan dahil as we can see, hindi pa rin na ididikit nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung puntos nila dito sa puntos ng ating Blue Dolphins. 9 points na po ang kalamangan ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins dito sa ating fourth and last quarter with 8 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Ayan, at aabangan natin kung paano dito mag-a-adjust itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions after the timeout na itinawag nila. And on the other hand, we have the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. We also have an update from our courtside reporter na si Via. Hi Via, take it away.
This game is nothing but intense. Once the Dolphins came out from the bench, they are doing nothing but scoring fire to fire. With excellent plays and defense and transitional plays, this is going to be a game that will set the point for the Dolphins. That is all. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Via, for that update. So yun nga, this Blue Dolphins, talagang every opportunity na papapa sa kanila or every ball possession, nagkakaroon sila ng point conversion. That's why right now, 7-point lead ang hawak dito ng kanilang kupunan. Let's see kung patuloy bang magiging consistent dito ang ating Blue Dolphins or will the CSPC Blue Stallion magkaroon ng magandang mini runs and momentum to win this game. 7 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Masyado pang mahaba ang oras na ito to conclude who is the winner for this match. Now, Blue Stallion, they need this one if they want to chase and cut the lead na hawak ng Blue Dolphins, and the Yang getting 2 points coming from that great move. Now, that's the thing na dapat pag-igihan ng ating Blue Stallion. And now, Blue Dolphins, Merenciano, heavily guarded here by the Yang. And the ball will remain on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 12 seconds to shoot. Let's see kung magkakaroon ng point conversion dito. Ang side ng mga Dolphins, or will the Blue Stallion steal and get a defensive rebound. Now, Merenciano looking for his teammate. Fires for that 3, and again, Merenciano nakakailang 3 points na para dito sa kupunan ng Blue Dolphins.
Grabe, Merenciano with that back-to-back 3 points for the Blue Dolphins. No, good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 13, Cornelio. And ball possession na ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now, Merenciano again. No good this time. Defensive rebound here by jersey number 11. Now, Diang. Diang with that step. Pero may kasabay na whistle dito. Si Felix Andre Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Felix Andre Diang. Kaya naman Rick, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and of course 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. We also have our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Haiti Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Revenues Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat din po sa Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC Digital Graphics. We also have Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG, alagang #1, and of course, Department of Agriculture Bicol. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors dito sa second round of Bucal Season 6.
And now, 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for our game. And jersey number 13, Razon, will be stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity para makadagdag dito sa puntos or sa lead na iniingatan nila kontra Cspc Blue Stallion. Talagang uhaw na uhaw manalo itong Blue Dolphins. Let's see kung makakabawi pa ba dito ang Blue Stallion. Another one for Razon. 2 points was added on their side.
Ayan, at 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. 10 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now let's see. Diang now on the inside with that steal by Malaluan. Now a steal by Diang. Back-to-back steal on the side of the Blue Stallions. Ateneo finishes that 2 points layup. And 3 points play opportunity pa nga for Ateneo on the side of the Cspc Blue Stallions. A chance for them to cut off the lead of the Blue Dolphins in 7. Ayan, at nabawasan na nga yan ng 1 puntos. Kaya naman 7 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Now, Blue Dolphins rather. Bacolod on the side of the Blue Dolphins to Merenciano. Now to Malaluan, pushes to that 2 points, no hesitation. And 2 points nga ang idadagdag natin on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. We are on the midway of our fourth and last quarter. Let's see. Jersey number 22, agad namang nakasagot ng 2 points. Grabe, Rick. Courtesy of Maglapid.
Now Blue Dolphins on the offense. Heavily guarded here, Merenciano, itatawid ang bola para sa kanilang koponan. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. And a foul was called on the player of this Blue Stallion. Now, substitution para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Malaluan is out and Panis is in. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Merenciano. Heavily guarded here. Taking his time, but the ball will remain on their side. 7 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. What a great move and great point conversion on the side of Blue Dolphins. Another 2 points ang madadagdag dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now Diang, itatawid ang ball on the side of the Blue Stallion.
Now, a 9 points lead and a very crucial error on the side of the Blue Stallions on that wrong pass. Outside pass of Felix Andrew Diang. Nako, kailangan ng doblehin ng effort dito ng ating Cspc Blue Stallions para naman mahabol at maipantay ang kanilang puntos dito sa puntos na nagawa ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. 3 points attempt, and that's good by jersey number 21 of the Blue Dolphins. Let's see dito
Butter.
sa ating replay.
3
Long
points
three.
attempt, and that's
Jersey number
good
21, and that's good.
by
At sa ating yan, ang
jersey
Kili
number
Sportswear and
21.
Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Grabe. Another 3 in and out ball this time, and out of bounds as the CSPC Blue Stallions will take the ball possession. Grabe na, Rick, yung ipinapakitang play sa atin itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. They are very determined. Nakikita naman natin para makuha ang unang panalo dito sa second round ng ating season, and of course for their second win this season. Ayun at natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 18 Panis on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Nakatutok pa rin ang ating mga live audiences dito sa ating Facebook Live via Bucal Facebook page. We have Alan Bonyon, Brian Fernandez, Kian Baluyot, Angel Ann, Abdul Japari, Marlene Secundo, Emerson Ichipare, and Ursula Filio. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Now, the ball will still on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. They really need this one. Point conversion ang kailangan dito ng Blue Stallion. Offensive rebound. And 2 shots will be given para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. 10-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
Very crucial opportunity for the Blue Stallions dahil 10 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng ating Blue Dolphins. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan at last attempt for jersey number 23 of the Blue Stallions. Labalan. No good on that first attempt, pero nakabawi naman on that second attempt. Now Malaluan to jersey number 21 of the Blue Dolphins. No hesitation shot. Grabe, binungguan niya muna yung bantay niya doon bago niya ipinasok yung 2 points. Courtesy of jersey number 21.
Now, Blue Stallion on the offense. Wala pa din. Nahihirapan talaga ditong umupensa ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion.
No good on that third chance. Muntik na, pero the same ball possession. Probably their fourth chance, Rick. Ayan, at ika-4 na chance na nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa kanilang front court. Now, let's see. Jersey number 22, maglapid. Ayan, at naagaw na nga ang bola. And may kasama pa yung foul. This time, makakakuha ng 2 free throws si Malaluan on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ayan. A good opportunity din for the Blue Dolphins to raise their lead kontra dito sa ating Blue Stallions, and that's good for that first attempt by Malaluan. 12 puntos na po. 12 points ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Dadagdagan pa ata yan ng isa ni Malaluan. That's good. Ace Merenciano ang nag-free throw for the Blue Dolphins.
Last 2 minutes of the game, and great steal coming from the Blue Dolphins. Everything goes well. Napakaganda ng pinapakitang performance dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. 87-72 on our scoreboard, and another steal, back-to-back steal. Let's wait for the point conversion kung makakagawa ba dito ang kanilang kupunan. But out of bounds ball.
Out of bounds, pero same ball possession for the Blue Dolphins here. Ayun, at napatawag na nga dito ng timeout nitong side ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. So we'll see kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy ang kanilang nasimula na momentum. 15 points lead na po ang hawak ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins, pero nasa penalty situation na itong ating Blue Dolphins. So we'll see din kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin na pagbawi nitong ating Cspc Blue Stallions dito sa natitirang 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining. Ayan. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, mag-shoutout din tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Sa shoutout dito kay Joanne Dizon, kay Pauline Puerta. Happy viewing po. And another wasted opportunity on the side of Blue Stallion. Let's see with this ball possession kung magkakaroon sila ng point conversion. 1 minute and 29 seconds remaining for our game, and abante pa rin dito ang kanilang opponent, which is the Mariners Blue Dolphins. So foul.
Natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 13 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, Razon. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 23 of the Cspc Blue Stallions, Labalan. Now, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. 87-73. Let's see kung ilang puntos pang idadagdag dito ng Blue Dolphins sa kanilang scoreboard. Razon, no good on that 3 points attempt.
Last 55 seconds of the game. And great steal para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Now, Blue Dolphins really want this game. Kitang-kita sa performance ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. 87-73 on our scoreboard. 41 seconds remaining. Malaluan.
No good this time. Now let's see kung anong gagawing bawin nitong ating Blue Stallions. Pero still here by Malaluan with 30 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Nahinto itong dalawang teams natin since patapos na ang ating fourth and last quarter, pero mayroon pa tayo ditong natitirang 20 seconds dito sa ating fourth and last quarter.
20 seconds and 5 on the shot clock. Anong gagawin dito ng Blue Dolphins? Fires for that one. No good.
Ayan, at patay na ang shot clock natin dito, Rick. With that 2 points by Ateneo. Ayan, at 5 seconds na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, ayan na nga, at dyan na nagtatapos ang ating ball game. Mpcf won against the Cspc Blue Stallions. A second taste, a sweet taste of victory for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins this 6th season of Bucal. Congratulations to the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, and of course to the Cspc Blue Stallions dahil binigyan nila tayo ng napakadikit, napakagandang laban. Ayan, at dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating bakbakan ngayong Sunday. Ayan, at maya-maya lamang makikilala natin kung sino ang best player of the game. Tutok lamang only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences. What a game! The Mariners Blue Dolphin pulls a huge win with a final score of 87 against 75 against the CSPC Stallions. The best player of the game is jersey number 4, Juan Carlo Corporal, with 20 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 6 steals, and 1 block. I'm here with the best player of the game. Matanong ko lang, what was your mindset from the first half to the second half?
Nakinig lang po kami sa sabi ni coach na magdepensa lang at tiwala lang sa sarili at yun lang.
Ano yung adjustments naman na ginawa niyo lalo na nung fourth quarter?
Nag-training lang po kami araw-araw, then yun lang po, nag-training.
Now I'm giving you the floor to shout out kung sino man ang gusto mong pasalamatan at kung sino ang motivation mo ngayong game.
Unang-una kay Lord, nagpasalamat kami at kay Coach Tan at sa mga sumusuporta sa Mariners at sa family ko, si Mama, Papa, at sa mga kapatid.
That was once again our best player of the game, jersey number 4, Corporal. Now, I'm Veronica Nacario. This is once again Bucal Season 6, where future life.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si jersey number 4 Corporal on the Mpcf Blue Dolphins with 20 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 6 steals, and 1 block. Napakagandang pagkapanalo ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating bakbakan this weekend. I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta, and patuloy na magsubaybay only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.